But I tell you the truth
See,
now,
man.
they confused.
Look at that something.
I know say I be confused,
Chill,
motherfucker.
man. You like two men, no be issue. You like Mazi, you like Boma. You like Boma body. Oh yes. Then you like Mazi because of his skin color and his personality. Boma because you like his body, so you're attracted to Boma sexually.
Maybe sexually, but you don't think that by now I would have done something with him or kiss him.
People like you, I know them.
We bath together, we no kiss now.
Oh, you don't already
We don't date together, yeah. We just I got something that he helped me now to date.
Let's see where.
I wear my bikini.
I want you to just catch cruise.
I let cruise past this one.
Catch cruise and just if you like Boma, catch cruise. No, that is.
Mine is the shortest.
No, the
I don't know.
catch cruise. See.
Advise me. Who do you think I should pick? Tell me now. You tell me.
I'm the wrong just. I'm the wrong guy as you also.
Why you dey red though? You high?
You know I.
Easy if I know high.
You want to enter his house?
You better feel somebody sexually. No, it's bad thing.
Not sexually. It's the shape. Not even the shape. It's the. No, I don't even know.
Confused.